Well, this is the new farm dog. She likes the farm life. Come on, we gotta go to work. Come on, Lily. Sorry. Can't open gates and do the camera. There we go. Yes, she is in with all the peers. Even my girl. Come on, let's go. Gotta go to work. She's quite the character, and if I don't let her come out with me, she will find a way to get here anyway, so come on. You ready? There you go. There we go. We ready to work? Huh? Who's a happy girl? Who's a happy dog? Yes, you're happy too. I know, Oliver. He wants a kiss. He wants to eat. Randy, what's going on? Benjamin, all my beauties. Lily, who's a good girl? Who's good? She'll stay up here all day with me and doesn't touch the chickens. Bye-bye now. Gotta feed this one.